All right, everybody. Today, as you can see, we are at Square Body Central here in Edinburg, Virginia. We're going to pick up my seat that I recently won at the Old Dominion C10 rally. So hopefully we can take you around and give you a tour of some of what they got going on. Kind of looks like Square Body heaven to me. But again, most of the stuff you're going to see on our channel is going to be like the GMT-800 stuff, but you're also going to see some Square Bodies because we like those too. So let's take a look inside and see what we got going on. Talked about this one show, General Longstreet.
This General Longstreet,
79 truck.
Yeah, open the door.
You guys did some interior and
Jimmy for a customer with this truck was 2008 Denali drivetrain.
so that's a LT.
6.2.
Okay. Wow.
Chasing the bugs
I
now.
was going to ask you, have you found this?
It's 77 only color. This is 77 only. Yellow stripe is 77 only. That's 77 only.
Now, did they do this color or something similar on like the lens?
As far as I know, this specific color was only
What they call
77. Seamus green.
Seamus green. Is this a wrap now?
It is a decal. Yep. It's $2,000 worth of stickers.
They have to see the wood green in it.
Yep. $2,000 worth of stickers. That was painful. That was my first time to do the wood grain.
Yeah.
And then pictures of this truck out on the internet. And now I start seeing people doing it everywhere. The name of this one is Third Time's a Charm.
Third time's a charm.
Third Time's a Charm. I'm taking it back and forth. Everything they did was crap.
Yeah. Because a lot of times, after you get it all finished up, the clear coat's on, and a week later, if it's in the sun or something, you start seeing
Yeah.
cracks or pop. Been there.
Yeah, but this is purple and Kodiak brown.
Okay. I can see the front.
We just brought it over here, so it's still got Bondo dust on it.
Yeah.
We just pulled it out of body shop. 27 K10. This couple had a body shop in Ohio building them a truck. They were 50 grand in. And all they had was a cab.
Square Body Central, Edinburg, Virginia. Well, there you have it. We made it home. We got this wonderful seat and had a great day at Square Body Central. If you haven't been there, check them out. Great group of guys, and I couldn't begin to tell you how many trucks they have there. They probably have a truck for everyone. Crew cabs, regular cabs, long bed, short bed, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. What we got on film today didn't even scratch the surface. But again, great guys to work with there. I highly recommend you swing by. If you need any Square Body parts, they are a metal dealer, so they can get just about any piece of steel that you need for your Square Body. I also know that they sell complete beds, which, as we all know, most Square Bodies are gonna have rust around the wheel wells. That's the quickest and best way to just knock it out. Brand new bed, no rust, and he said the metal thickness is actually OEM quality, so you're not pinging really thin metal. So anyway, I'm super happy with this seat. You can see they stitched Chevrolet right here, the bow tie. It feels nice and firm. You can definitely tell the difference between an old worn out Square Body seat, like the one in the silver bullet back here. But the attention to the detail is definitely second to none. The quality, top notch, and these guys knocked it out. And again, I'm super thankful for the Old Dominion C10 rally and having the chance to actually win the raffle here for this. I mean, those things don't come by me very often, but I'm very thankful because it just so happens I was looking for a new seat for my truck. So God works in funny ways. Thank you, Square Body Central, for having us out today. Thank you for taking us on a little tour of your shop. Hope to do some more work with you guys in the future. But again, everybody, Square Body Central, we had a phenomenal day. Go check them out.